But let me also give you some background into the controversy that's been playing out over this case already in the last 24 hours. And this is over the supplementary charge sheet that was filed by the Delhi police. It triggered political furor as the opposition attacked the Delhi police, accusing it of acting at the behest of the BJP. Senior Congress leader P. Chidambaram has lashed out at the Delhi police, saying that the criminal justice system was being brought to ridicule by naming scholars and activists. Congress's West Bengal chief Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary termed it as a bid to suppress the opposition, while CPIM's Sitaram Yechuri and activist Yogendra Yadav, who've been named in the charge sheet, slammed BJP for allegedly implicating political leadership and questioning also why no action has been taken against those who gave provocative speeches openly. After a political slugfest broke out on the issue, the Delhi police in its statement downplayed the entire matter, saying that these names were only mentioned in the disclosure statement.
6 months after one of the worst riots in Delhi, which killed 53 people, an explosive twist in the probe. In its additional charge sheet, Delhi Corps named CPIM General Secretary Sitaram Yechuri, Swaraj Abhiyan leader Yogendra Yadav, economist Jayati Ghosh, Delhi University professor and activist Apurva Anand, and documentary filmmaker Rahul Roy, citing their names as those who allegedly provoked violent anti-CAA protests, as per revelation by 3 students who testified. The allegations sparked a political war. Yechuri accused BJP of misusing state machinery to target the opposition. Yadav claimed that BJP is scared of legitimate protests.
No one would talk about Mr. Kapil Mishra, who took out not one but several speeches, who gave incited people in the presence of police. No one would question Union Minister Anurag Thakur, who in public exhorts people and gets naras of Goli Maro. Have they been arrested? Is there an FIR? Have they even been questioned by Delhi police?
Delhi police clarified that mere naming in charge sheet doesn't make them accused or open to prosecution. But BJP claims anti-India forces have been exposed.
They have to be booked as per the investigations reports and let the law take its own course of action during the trial. But initially, the prima facie, there are allegations which are very much solid proof against these people.
While Delhi police has booked alleged riots masterminds, including axed AAP corporator Tahir Hussain, it has not named some BJP leaders who were accused of fanning violence.
By naming scholars, activist and even a filmmaker, Delhi police in its charge sheet of Delhi riots has created quite an uproar, the timing being near the parliament session. But what is significant is the opposition seeing red in this entire charge sheet, saying the entire process of Delhi police investigation has not been transparent. Other than that, they have named only the opposition leaders and not the likes of Kapil Mishra or Anurag Thakur, who were seen protesting against the anti-CAA protesters in what were viral videos. With camera person Sanjeev, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi for India Today.